How's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video we'll talk about my Hisense smart TV, which I bought 2 months ago. I did an unboxing, so I'm gonna leave the descriptions down below, also in the end of this video, so make sure you check the video. I bought this TV 2 months ago, and it was quite early to say if this TV is a great buy for you, because when you buy a TV, I know the first impressions is very good, you're excited, you're happy, and you like the TV, but I think it's much better to give you this opinion after 2 months, because I think it's fair, and you never know. You buy a TV and after maybe a week or less than a week you start to have some problems, some issues, and then you have to get the TV back because you have 14 days return policy. So, but luckily, in my opinion, I didn't have any problems with this TV, so we'll talk about this TV right now, about this Hisense smart TV. I'm gonna leave all the details about this TV in the descriptions down below. Also, I'm gonna put the right model, the make and the model of this TV, just to make sure which model I'm talking about, because there's a lot of different models of the Hisense TV. So particularly this 50-inch, which I think this is 2020 model if I'm not wrong, and probably you saw already this TV. It's 50-inch, and Hisense was the official sponsor of the Euro 2020, which again, this was a very good in my opinion. But let's talk about this Hisense smart TV, if I had any issues, any problems for the past 2 months. So I bought this TV 2 months ago. Like I mentioned, I'm gonna leave the unboxing and the first impressions on the link in the descriptions down below. 2 months ago, this TV was looking to buy a TV, and I didn't want to spend like 500-600 pounds on a TV. Actually, there was a really nice Samsung TV that we wanted to buy, but for some reason was out of stock. But check the first video, you'll see what I'm talking about. And in the end, we found this Hisense smart TV, and the price was 300 pounds. I live in UK, if probably you know, if you watch my videos. For 300 pounds, a 50-inch smart TV with all the functions that you need on a daily basis, comes with a 2 years warranty, and I said, let's give it a try. My previous TV was Philips, which I had few complaints about this TV. I don't know if it was just this particular model that we had, but I had a lot of problems with this Philips TV 3 years ago, and in the end the screen just gone. I'm not saying that Philips a bad make, but I think that TVs are not very I don't know, good quality in my opinion. But we bought this TV, and let's talk about some of the specifications. This TV is a 4K TV, it's a 50-inch. As you can see, the panel is very bright. I do like that it's almost bezel-less. As you can see, small bezels. And when I bought this TV, I thought probably the colors not going to be vivid, not going to be sharp, you know. But actually I was wrong. As you can see, the colors are very sharp, very good. And this is the standard color that you can, there's a couple of options with the pictures, but this is the standard one, and I think this is perfect. As you can see, I don't can see properly from the camera, but at least you can have idea how is the picture quality. The picture quality actually was very good, and this is a very good plus, because you spend 300 pounds and you want to have good, nice picture quality, especially when you watch your favorite TV channels, Netflix, Prime, YouTube, and so on. And luckily, the picture quality is great. You're not gonna have problems with the picture quality. Also, the TV is fast. Actually, I was surprised. It has a Hisense quad-core processor. Doesn't have any more details specific about this processor, but it says Hisense quad-core processor. So, but it's decent. It's fast. It's not very slow. I know I'm going back to the Philips TV, but yeah, this TV was nightmare. It was very slow. We have to switch the TV most of the, like, I was switching TV like 5 times per day because it's just, for some reason it's stopping, doesn't want to do anything, so I need to switch it off. But this TV is good, it's fast, doesn't have any problems, and comes with all your favorite apps. The only thing that doesn't come is with a Disney Plus. If you're a Disney Plus member, if you want to watch Disney Plus, unfortunately it doesn't come with a Disney Plus. But personally, this is not a big deal. I don't watch Disney Plus. We have plenty enough TV here, catch-up TV, especially in UK here. Comes with a lot of catch-up TVs. Comes with all the channels that you need if you live in UK. So personally, I think it's not a big issue for me, the Disney Plus. But yeah, it comes with all the Channel 5, ITV, all the special apps that you watch on a daily basis, and you're not gonna be disappointed, believe me. And this is a video that I did a few days ago. Me and my girlfriend, we went to central London, a weekend break, so we did a couple of videos. The video that you're watching right now is basically, this is shot on my Canon 200D with Canon lens, 50mm 1.8 STM, and I don't know if you can see properly, but the colors are sharp, very good. It's an amazing lens, but the pictures and the video quality from this TV is great. Also, I'm gonna leave this video in the description down below if you want to watch it as well, just to see yourself. But personally, I think this TV is great buy. You're gonna ask me now if I recommend this TV. Personally, I think it's a great buy, especially for the price range. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I purchased this TV few months ago, but personally I think this is a great buy due to the price and all the options that comes with this. Basically all the channels that you need, 50-inch, great display. The sound quality is not going to be fantastic, obviously. I have a sound bar from Sony sound system, but personally I think it's not going to be a big issue, the sound quality. I personally think due to the price, due to all the functions and all the apps and the display and almost bezel-less, I think this is a great buy. I know when I did the unboxing 2 months ago, I said that it's quite early to say if this TV is a great buy, if I recommend it. And now, after 2 months, I can say this is great TV and I 100% recommend this, particularly this model. So make sure you check the right model, because there's a ton of models. There's different models of this TV, but particularly this model, personally I think it's a great buy and I definitely recommend it due to the price. Plus, you need a TV on a daily basis to watch your favorite TVs, or you can play some games. You can hook PlayStation 5 and Xbox, Nintendo and so on. But for general, normal use on a daily basis, this TV is perfect. So definitely I recommend it. So let me know, what do you think? If you have this TV already, let me know in the comments down below if you're happy, or basically if you have any other suggestions. I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. Let me know, what do you think? Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.